Kita ganda, juang ini malah kapur, buat campaign itu. The glory be to God in the highest. Biru. Tadi cara mandi tu payah juga saya. Matlah mana campaign tu, mat everyday with a 6 schedule. Number 2, kepada grassroots governance. Number 3 with proper solid waste management, which is in the Badan Lupa Poka election manifesto of the party. But Kupasa, which is very important, is proper boundary for the constituency, the ilakas, the Hima, which is under the.
Pilong lu MLA kejuk form ke sinjam ke pinjam mentabang manra ki an bat ki jumentah habis British Council.
Taling aso khamha shu nang your board MLA plus MDC mata, so I'll try to work harder and more close with the people of my constituency and for the state.
Wala ta ka jur kala ajong ki constituency pertagi ba long ipi ba pinsos kham na kamta ka jingkar shan jingkat ba.
Kani dengan rai, kemudian kau yang kadi kalau bentah hiu boleh ramai macam tu, jadi itu payah, ipet hiu beri, dekat lah ya party. So having konga mana MLA plus MDC, work closely with the people of my constituency.